What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Mac. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fire up a browser of your choice. Then type in download Visual Studio Code. Click the link for code.visualstudio.com/download. And I'm using the Mac. I have the Apple Silicon chip, but it shouldn't actually matter which chipset you have. So just click download, and I'm just going to save this into the downloads folder, and then you'll see that the download started. So I'm going to cut the video here and let this download. Alright, so once this download is complete, I'm going to click that download and then click the file that was downloaded. And then you'll see it here in the downloads folder. And this is the application file. So I can double click this and it'll run. And do note that this isn't in the applications folder. So if I were to head to Launchpad right now, Visual Studio Code doesn't exist there because the Launchpad pulls from the applications folder. So if that's something that you do want, you can just move Visual Studio Code, this application file, into the applications folder. But I don't really care, so I'm just going to double click this and run Visual Studio Code. And this is an internet app, and I believe in Microsoft, so let's open it. And so at this point we have Visual Studio Code here, so I'm going to install some extensions. So I actually already have these installed because I've previously installed Visual Studio Code on this machine. But I would highly recommend pretty much just these extensions. Definitely the Python extension. This helps a lot with writing Python code. Pylance is another good one. iSort, GitHub pull request. And then another one that I do really like that I don't see that I have installed, it's called SQLite Viewer. And this is pretty nice if you do database stuff. So if you work with like a SQLite, like a .db file, this one will allow you to just look at the tables essentially. So you get a little picture here, and it's super handy too, so I highly recommend that one. And you can use whatever extensions you want. If you don't want any, that's fine, or if you find some really good ones, let me know, honestly. But these are the ones that I just recommend just to get started with.
And what would a video be without a thank you? I really do appreciate the view, and I hope this video helped you. And I do have a Discord server if you want to join. I'm trying to build a community of Python developers as a resource to you and all of the members. However, if you don't want to, I totally understand. It is 100% free to join. Do consider liking and subscribing the video, as this just helps promote our community. And as always, thanks for watching.